How can we prioritize our mental health? We can move our bodies in a way that we enjoy. And for too many years, women specifically, but also men, have been doing exercise with the primary focus of making their bodies smaller, with the unfortunate results of many giving up on movement completely. Leon Taylor talks about being labeled as a problem child by his family physician in his TED Talk titled How to Manage Your Mental Health. His parents decided to book him into every possible activity they could in a way to use his endless energy in a positive way. He went on to take part in 3 Olympic Games and win a medal in diving. Joyful movement can be used to reduce stress and anxiety. Joyful movement can be used to reduce stress and anxiety levels within our body. Leon also explains that when we begin to move our bodies notice this as a moment of stress. In order to protect us, our brain releases a chemical, a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF repairs and protects the brain. Joyful movement also creates endorphins, which boost our mood. Connecting with others and dealing with unresolved trauma, like having a baby, that, if left untreated, can result in a negative outlook on life and feelings of guilt and shame. This can lead to a need to control everything in our lives and a strong sense of failure. This becomes overwhelming and leads us to isolating ourselves. And if we think about it, we go through giving birth or surgical C-sections with almost no recovery time. What other surgery are you aware of that has zero rest after? Not only zero rest, but we also need to look after a human life that is completely dependent on us. Reach out to a healthcare professional if you feel there may be any unresolved trauma. Another way to heal your trauma is by trying yoga. It has been proven to assist with treating PTSD, and a special kind of yoga called Yoga Nidra can help with getting deep and restful sleep. Sleep can often get negatively affected by trauma when our body is not getting the rest it needs. Journaling and meditation are another way to debrief and work through trauma. When you are ready, focusing on gratitude can completely shift your mentality. Actively thinking about positive things in our lives releases hormones into the brain that are used for mood regulation. So no, gratitude doesn't fix depression. We need medical professionals and sometimes medication to control that. But gratitude can be used alongside joyful movements, journaling, and breathing, in addition to therapy, to help us heal.